Do you know many people are having trouble with canceling print jobs on their printer? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Find Cancel button. Locate the Cancel button on your HP Deskjet 2600 printer's control panel. Step 2. Press to cancel. Press the Cancel button to stop the current print job in progress. Step 3. Open Print Queue. Go to Devices and Printers on your computer to manage print jobs. Step 4. Select and cancel. Select the print job you want to cancel and click Cancel. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Confirm cancellation if prompted. Ensure print job is stopped and cleared. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully cancel print jobs on your HP Deskjet 2600. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other HP users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.